Bonjour! In today's video we're going to learn to say bless you when somebody sneezes. So the verb éternuer is to sneeze. It's a bit of a funny sounding verb. So when you want to say I'm sneezing or I sneeze, you say j'éternue. J'éternue tout le temps. I'm sneezing all the time. Or il éternue tout le temps. He's sneezing all the time. Éternue. And you might be sneezing for different reasons, but the two most common reasons would be this. J'ai un rhume. J'ai un rhume. Un rhume is a cold. J'ai un rhume. I have a cold. Or the other reason might be that you have hay fever or allergy to pollen or what have you. J'ai des allergies. J'ai des allergies. And often they just use the general term for I have allergies rather than saying particularly I have hay fever. So j'ai des allergies. And if you wanted to ask somebody that's sneezing, have you got a cold, or if you've got hay fever at the moment, if you've got allergies at the moment, instead of saying j'ai at the beginning, all you would do is say tu as un rhume, have you got a cold? So that's obviously if you know the person, singular. Or vous avez des allergies, if you don't know the person as well, or you're talking to more than one person, although more than one person sneezing at the same time might be rare. Okay, so let's imagine that our neighbour or a little boy that lives over the street or what have you sneezes near us. And the way that we can say bless you is to say à tes souhaits, à tes souhaits, à tes souhaits, à tes souhaits. Now it sounds a bit like a tissue, and I think that's just a happy coincidence, but if it can help you remember it, then wonderful. À tes souhaits. And what it means is to your wishes. The souhait is a wish. So à tes souhaits, may your wishes come true. And if you don't know the person and they have sneezed, or if you're on vous terms with the person still, instead of saying à tes souhaits, we'd have to say à vos souhaits. À vos souhaits. À vos souhaits. May your wishes come true, but again in a slightly more formal way, à vos souhaits. And a slightly more old-fashioned thing that used to happen, doesn't happen so much anymore, but French people certainly know about it, is if you sneeze for a second time, it used to be that you would say à tes amours or à vos amours, depending on the formality of the relationship. So à tes amours, à vos amours is the slightly outdated now, but could raise a smile for somebody if you have a go at saying that when they sneeze a second time. Okay, here's a little quiz. Let's see what you can remember. So, a friend sneezes near you. The baker sneezes while you're buying your baguette. Hopefully not on your baguette. Your friend sneezes twice in a row, and you want to show off that you know the old-fashioned way to say bless you if you sneeze twice. And the fourth question is this. You sneeze and you want to say you have hay fever, you have allergies. So, what do we reckon? The first one, a friend sneezes near you. How are we going to say bless you? We're going to say à tes souhaits, à tes souhaits. The baker sneezes while you're buying your baguette. We call the baker vous, so we're going to say à vos souhaits, à vos souhaits, to your wishes, not vous, because that's you. Vos is your for something plural, wishes coming next. Can you remember the twice in a row, the little one just to say for fun? You can say à tes amours, à tes amours, may your loves come true, be happy, whatever it might be. And you sneeze and you want to say you have hay fever. So we'll say do a sneeze, we can say oh, pardon, excusez-moi, whatever. And then you can say j'ai des allergies. J'ai des allergies. And if you would like to download the free PDF that accompanies this video with a little quiz on it, it's just in the description below. Click a link, it'll take you straight to my website and you can download it. See you next time. Au revoir.